Hi, and welcome to another episode of The Consistency Queen. My name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum to two beautiful children, and I have a global coaching business which I started in 2021, and I've achieved over $1 million since then. Now, I help high-performing women to be able to amplify their income and expand their influence and impact from vision to brand. It's something that I love doing, and I'm on a mission to help and serve over 1 million women to be able to build their businesses and to step into their growth and achieve their goals. I'm so grateful that you're here because I'm going to deliver a mini training to you that's going to help you to fast track you. You see, some of the stuff that I'm sharing in the coming days, stuff that helped me to achieve my first six-figure month, and I want to share this with you. I want to give it all away. Okay, now before I get started, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Elsa Morgan, The Consistency Queen. You can go to my podcast and go to Apple or Spotify. You can also head into my free group, facebook.com/groups/The Legacy Academy. Now, let me tell you, I achieved my first six-figure month October 2022, and it was a journey leading up to that. And what I'm going to be doing is breaking down that journey into bits. And today I want to talk to you about goal setting, because the goal setting piece, while so many people speak to this, I think a lot of people don't really say it accurately. And I want to tell you what I do. And this structure, what I do, this game plan that I'm going to share with you, helps me and works every single time for me. And this is what I share with my coaching clients. So feel free to take notes, okay? So number one, you need to quite obviously establish what it is that you want to achieve. Where do you want to be at the end of this period of time that you're going to be executing? What's the end game? What's the end result? What's the goal that you want to achieve? Number two, get really clear on how long you're going to take, like the time frame that you want to go for this goal. Okay, now I just want to say this before I continue, is more often than not, when you set a goal and you say, hey, I'm going to achieve this in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, it may, the first time you'll probably not hit it. You probably may not hit it the second or the third or the fifth or the 10th or the 20th, right? But you may. And I just want you to be open to that, because a lot of people go for goals in 30, 60, 90 days. And then when they don't hit it, they get very disheartened and they just go, you know what, maybe this is not for me. Believe me when I tell you, you not hitting the goal is actually a blessing for you, because you're going to be picking up lessons that you need. So then that way you go again with knowledge, with experience, because there's stuff that you don't know yet that you need to know. And you won't know that until you go for it, to give you that awareness. You see, absolutely going for your goal and giving it your all is the fastest way to grow, for you to pick up the lessons and then going again. Trust me, so many people that you see winning right now in life, in business, they didn't hit their goal the first time around. In fact, most of them took 5 to 10 years to achieve the results that they're getting right now. So please don't think that because you have a goal and you haven't hit it, that doesn't mean you're not talented, you're not worth it, you're not worthy, or it's not going to happen for you. It totally is. The fact that you get up and go again actually qualifies you, because you have more knowledge than when you first started. So I really, really want to emphasize that, because you are totally worthy and you are totally capable. Okay, so I get very passionate about that, by the way. Okay, so then once you've established how long you're going to go for this goal, what you need to then determine is, number 3, figure out how much do you need to sell, is, in terms of dollar amount, if that's how you track, or is it how many products you need to sell? So work that out. How many courses or programs that you need to sell? Like, what's the number, the metric that you need to sell over that period of time to help you achieve that goal? Now, a lot of the times you might get something, let's just assume it's over 30 days and you might have like 45 that you need to sell to achieve that goal. So break it down into a daily amount, because a daily amount is something that the conscious mind can accept, because it's a small amount, and your programming is not going to get into overwhelm because it's 45. But what if it's like 1.5? What if it's 1.5? That's doable over a day, isn't it? Selling 1.5 a day, that is totally doable. So I always encourage my clients, please work out your daily run rate, your daily amount that you need to work towards. And then that way, just literally do the activities to hit that. And you are on track to hit your goal, okay? So that's number 3. Number 4, as I just mentioned, reverse engineer back to your numbers, your daily numbers, but also this is going to also help you to establish the activities that you need to be doing. Okay. Typically they are the same every single time. So it's like creating new conversations, following up and closing every single day, expanding your network and connecting with new people every single day, doing social media, like showing up and sharing your message and why people should connect with you every single day, and also mastering your mindset and sharpening the saw every single day, especially when you are in this period of time where you are going for a goal. This is most important. Okay. There is a skill around personal development. People don't know it. And I will be teaching to that, how you should work your personal development to help you to accelerate towards your goals. So stay tuned, because that training is coming. Okay. Then you plan your social media around the fact that, that you're going for your goal, around your activities. What do I mean by that? So your social media should be highly geared towards a message. Like, what's the message that you want to drive during this time? Is it that people need to be making a decision? Is it that people need to stop giving them an out? Is it that, nothing changes if nothing changes? Like, what are the themes that you want to speak to during this time to create urgency in the marketplace, so then they make a decision? It's really important when you're planning out your social media that it's geared towards helping people to connect with you, to want to start conversations with you, to make a decision about you as well. And you can't do that if you wing. You've got to do this with intentionality. And I have a proven blueprint that actually shows you how to do that as well. Okay. Number 6, you need to set up your environment for the win. Like, if you are operating in mess, I highly encourage you to get your environment clear, and you are operating in an environment that supports where you want to go. This is such an important thing. Unconsciously, your mind is cluttered or stagnant because your environment is cluttered or stagnant, and you need to set it up for clarity, for absolute high performance. So then that way you can go and implement without having to step all over things to get to to your workplace. Okay. And the last one is you just need to go and execute and keep going until you finish that time frame. And then if you hit the goal, congratulations. If you don't, hey, don't be down on yourself for an extended period of time. Yes, you can definitely be upset, but geez, pick yourself up back again, and then pick up the lessons. What are the lessons that you need? And then go again and do it again, because you'll be wiser, stronger, and more aware of how you need to go better. So I hope this has enlightened you and given you some awareness of what it takes to go to, 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures. But if you are wanting more of this, if you want to have access to someone that actually has achieved 7 figures and actually has a blueprint to help people to work towards that, I have my signature program available right now, filled with bonuses. And the way that I've structured it is only limited to 5 people. I'm limiting it to 5 people only. Okay. And when you come on board, you'll get access to a ton of bonuses, like done for you social media, done for you business templates, done for you planning templates, done for you leadership templates, done for you stories templates. All the things that you will need straight up, so then you don't have to worry about it. I've taken the guesswork out for you, and I'm also more importantly giving you access to my blueprint that helped me to achieve $1 million in less than 2 years. So what you want to do is head over to hangwiththequeen.com and complete your details, and I'll see you in the program. Take care.